Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that your payment method was declined in the iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and just sign out your Apple ID from your Apple device and just again sign in. After that, simply just have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. And also make sure that you just update the latest iOS version into your iPhone, maybe your iPad. And after that, simply just scroll it down and just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. That is the main setting. Just have to do that to fix, and they can involve in fixing your problem. After that, simply just go back and again back and just go to the Apple account and just go to the payment receipt section where your payment method was entering. Simply just go that and just verify your Apple ID before going to the that section where you just have the payment methods. And you see that I'm gonna select the debit card and the credit card. You simply just have to select adding another one payment method. If you don't have any another one, simply just go back and just go to the media and purchases and just remove all the debit cards from here. And also you just have to just go to the payments of my wallets, and here you just have to just remove all the debit cards and just enter simply just like that, and again entering your payment method. And also make sure that we just go to the App Store and just go to the account of your Apple ID, just tap on that. And you see that manage payments, just tap on that. Before you're gonna go that they can verify, and here you just have to just entering your debit card. So I'm not entering any debit card, and they're saying that you cannot enter any debit card. So because I didn't enter any debit cards, so in your case you just entering debit card and maybe your payment method entering, so you just have to just remove it and again entering your payment method, and after that your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.